breathe is polluted. Respiratory diseases have become the #1 cause of death. We use disposable masks that cause more waste and fuel the declining health of our environment. We need to change it. AIO.
I'm Anna and I'm one of the co-founders of AIO. As long as I can remember, I had suffered from allergies and my body reacting sensitively to polluted air. Whether it's smog, bacteria, viruses or allergens, polluted air affects each and every one of us.
We created a mask that produces the minimum amount of waste while providing a maximum amount of protection.
What is AIO and what makes it so special? AIO is a reusable, 100% transparent mask made from high-quality materials in Germany. It was our ambition to create a good-looking alternative to single-use masks that are not only uncomfortable to your skin, but also create tons of waste. We found a universal fit that suits every face type.
The most obvious feature of the AIO mask is its transparent design. The clear body liberates the face visually and allows for mimic and emotion to return to our everyday conversations.
At the bottom of the mask, we have a filter cartridge, which makes it very easy for you to exchange your filter pads.
All filters are FFP2 standard and are recyclable. The filters last up to 72 hours of breathing. This way you can enjoy a maximum of security whilst keeping your environment clean.
The flexible sealing stays soft to your skin even after hours of wearing your AIO mask. Additionally, at the top of the mask we have 2 optional breathing valves that further improve the airflow within the mask. Your AIO mask comes with 180 degrees adjustable head straps, which make your AIO even more comfortable to wear, even for a longer period of time.
AIO is ready for mass production. In order to ensure the highest production quality and standards, we need your help to kickstart operations. Support our cause, become a backer of our Indiegogo campaign, and secure yourself one of our great AIO perks. At AIO, we want to make sure everyone gets to wear a mask and stay protected in a sustainable fashion. That's why we have teamed up with Chameleon to help women in countries of need produce their own masks, creating protection and economic growth. For every mask sold on Indiegogo, we are donating €2 to the organizations in Namibia, Cambodia and India, allowing them to earn a living and produce 5 cotton masks.
That's why we need you to support us on Indiegogo to change the world for the better with AIO. Thank you so much for your contribution and trust. We are really overwhelmed by the amount of feedback we gained and take your thoughts very seriously. That's why, as mentioned in our last update, we further enhanced the design of the AIO mask to adapt to the most frequent questions that popped up during the campaign. Today, I'm thrilled to show you the pre-production sample we received from our manufacturer and guide you through all amendments. As some of you already know by now, we added a special mechanism to the exhalation valves so you can decide whether you want them to be opened or closed. We will also offer a version of AIO without valves that can be shipped starting beginning of next year. If you wish to receive an AIO without any valves with shipment starting in January, please send us a short notice until the 15th of October at info@claire-solutions.com and your order will be updated. Many of you ask if there will be any condensation or fogginess while wearing your AIO mask. We tested out many different products and approaches and are absolutely satisfied with the performance of our own anti-fog coating. As you can see, even while heavy breathing, there is no fogging, even though we might look quite stupid demonstrating this. Let me show you our replaceable head straps in close-up. We improved the construction of our adjustable head straps so they stay in place but can be easily exchanged. It is our goal to offer a product with flexible and replaceable components to offer you a solution that perfectly fits your individual needs. In the next weeks, we will share more sneak peeks from the mass production and will of course answer all of your questions as soon as possible. Thanks again so much for your support and trust, and please stay safe.